Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to see how to apply for the TCS Ninja. As we all know that the TCS has started a recruitment process for the passing out batch 2022. So we are going to see how to register yourself for the TCS Ninja. And if you want to apply for the TCS Ninja, and for that what you have to do, just browse this link. I will provide this link in the description. So whenever you browse this link, you are able to see this kind of window. If you are not created your account on the TCS for the TCS portal, then you have to register yourself. Whenever you click on the register, then these two options will be available to you. Just click on the IT. After clicking on the IT, you are able to see this kind of registration form will be available to you. Just simple here, whatever the salutation of your is. So and again fill all this detail: your first name, middle name and surname, your date of birth, and select here the gender, and here you have to provide the email ID. All the details regarding TCS will be sent to you. After that, from here you have to search your institute. If you are not seeing your institute here, you can just simply manually you can write here your institute name. After that, here you have to select your qualification from where you are doing your graduation. According to you, you can select this field. After that, here you have to mention the year of passing. So you can select here 2022. After that, you have to write here the nearest test location. All the city names which are near to you, you can select according to you. After that, you have to create your own password here, and in case of if you here you have to select the security question. In case if you forgot your password, this is going to help you. Write this captcha and just submit the form. Once you submit the form, then you will get mail that you have successfully registered for the TCS. Whenever you have whenever you have created your account, after that what you have to do, just go back and click on the login. Just go back to the same website, and here you have to click on the login. After login, here you have to mention the email ID and password. Whenever you have created the account, their reference ID will be automatically generated, and you can write here email ID or a reference ID, and you have to mention here password. So after mentioning the password, this kind of window will be available to you. I have already applied, so that's why I'm getting here option like edit application form. If you are new, you are able to see here only four to five options. So whenever you have successfully logged into the TCS Next portal, after that what you have to do, just click on the application. Just click on the application form. Here I have already applied, that's why I'm getting here edit application form. So whenever you click on this, first of all you have to mention here your nearest test location. So you can mention here nearest test location according to your preference. After that, here you have to enter your details. Like first you have to enter your first name, middle name and surname. After that you have to write your father's name, and after that select the gender. After that you have to mention your address. And state, pin code, city, country, landmark. You have to mention all the details, and if the address which you have mentioned here is permanent address, then click on S. If no, then you can write here another address. After that you have to mention here contact details. In the contact details you have to write two email ID. One email ID will be that email ID which you have mentioned while creating account. That email ID will automatically assigned here, and you have to mention alternative email ID, and you have to mention here two mobile numbers. And after, just click on the continue. Whenever you have filled all the details, after that just wait for a second, it will take time. Whenever you enter all the personal details, if you have mentioned all the details, then you are able to see this correct mark here above the personal details. After that you have to mention here your academic work and experience details. So here you have to mention the correct your marks and CGPA and whatever the things you have did in your academic. If you mention here wrong details, then it may create problem, because if you got selected from this TCS Ninja, your all the details, your all marks and all the certification will be cross verified. So whenever you are entering details here, please mention all the correct details, or don't mention the fake details. After that, just click on the continue. When you click on the continue, if you are able to see your institute name here, then you can just select here. From here if you are not if you are not seeing, if your institute name is not here, then just click on the others option, and here you can manually mention your institute name, that is college name. After that, here you have to select your highest qualification, that you have to mention here the year of passing. So here mine is 2022, so I have selected this. After entering these details, just click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, here you have to enter your graduation details. On the continue, here you have to mention the course name. The course name will be bachelor's of technology or bachelor's of engineering. If you are doing any BSc or any other BSc MSc, then you can mention your the course name here. After that, you have to mention here course duration. Course duration means what? If you are doing engineering, then you have to mention here the year from where you have started the engineering. Having any backlog, or if you are having any backlog, or if you are uh, if you are doing engineering after the diploma, then here the year will be different. And after that, you have to choose the course type. So course type will be full time or a part time. So select the full time. So I would like to tell you that the course duration, passing out year will be 2022, and the month will be May. You can choose any date from the May 2022. After that, you have to mention your college name. After that, specialization. If you are in engineering, then you can mention here the field where from you belonging. I'm selecting here computer science and engineering. If you are in mechanical, then you can select here mechanical engineering. If you are civil, in civil, if you are doing engineering in civil, then you can select here from civil engineering. After that, if you are in here, you have to write the grading system. You selected CGPA, and here the total CGPA will be 10.00, and you have to write here the CGPA which you have obtained. After whenever you click on the CGPA, you also have to, you also need to add here the equivalent percentage. If your college has given you formula, then you can obtain your CGPA from there. If you are not, if your college has not given any formula to calculate the percentage, then you can follow this. Remember that you have to mention your percentage details here. After that, just click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, here you are able to see the three options. If you are doing engineering, if you are done diploma, and after that you are doing your engineering, you can select equivalent diploma. If you are did 12th plus diploma, then you can select the both option. And here I have did the diploma, so I have selected the equivalent diploma option. And after that, you have to mention here the course name. The course name will be diploma, and specialization will be computer engineering. If you are did your diploma in mechanical, civil, IT, chemical, or any other field, then you have to mention your specialization in engineering. There you have to mention your university. So here our is MSBT, so I have selected MSBT. Here you have to mention the course duration. This course duration will be the year from which you have taken admission in the diploma and the year of passing out. So after that, you have to mention here the CGPA or marks. So in diploma there is a percentage system, so I have selected here marks, and I have written the all the marks field, and this percentage is automatically calculated. So I'm selecting here 12th grade. So in the 12th, in the percentage field, you have to write here as a HSC, and here you can write your college name. Here you can select the board of education as a CBSE, IB, or NIOS. Here you can select here. If you are not belonging to any from this, you can select here as a state board. Most of us belongs to the state board, Maharashtra state board. After that, you have to select your course duration. This course duration will be only of 12. 12 means what? If you are on the year from which you are in 12. Suppose if you are in 12 in 2018, then you have to mention here 2018 with the June month, and you can select any random date. And here you have to write the pass out month, year, and the date. Here you have to mention the marks, and the select you have to select the full time or a part time option. Okay, after once you select this or fill all the details, just click on the continue. After clicking on continue, here you have to mention your 10 detail. Here you have asked to enter the SSC or a class X roll number. So here you can enter your seat number, which will available to you in your 10th mark list and certificate too. So there will be a number like seat number, so you can enter that seat number. Here you have to mention your university or the school name. You can mention here your school name. After that, from here you have to select the board. So if you are belonging to CBSE, so you can select CBSE, and if you are not belonging to any from this, you can select open school. I am belonging to state board, so I have selected here state board. So again here you can choose the course duration of 10. So I was in 10th in the year of 2015 and 16, so I have selected here 15-16, and you can select any random date. You have to select here month as a June, and you can select any random date, and the passing out month will be March in 2016, and you can select any random date. After that, you in the grading system you have to enter your marks. So you are able to you have to mention the total marks, that is 500, and the total marks you have obtained, and the automatically percentage will be calculated here. After that, whenever you have filled all this detail, just click on the continue. So whenever you click on the continue, if you are getting here as a correct mark, then you can consider that you have successfully added or have successfully submitted your all the education details. If you are not getting here correct mark, then please go back and check all the details which you have provided are correct or not. So after that, you have to here you have to mark if you have done any other courses. Any other courses means what? Instead of academics, if you have done any courses, then you can select here as a S, otherwise no. If you have done any online courses, please don't mention here as a S, click on the no. Okay, after clicking on the no, here you have to mention only the courses which you have done instead of education. Instead of education means what? If you are doing your if you are did the course of fashion designing or any other, then you can select yes. If you are not did any course here, select no, and just click on the continue. So if you, here you have they have asked you the any work experience. If you are did any internship, online internship or offline internship, or if you are did any training, then this experience is not going to consider here. So just select no. If you are having any work experience, if you have worked as an employee in any company, then you can select yes. For the freshers, it is going to be no. After clicking on no, just click on the continue. So here you have to enter all the details. You have to enter all the details correct. If you are having any break in studies like backlog, or if due to some medical reason, if you are there is one gap in your education, then you can select yes, otherwise select no. Here you have to mention the other courses which you have did. So here you can mention all here you have to mention all the courses which you have did. So here online courses, here you can mention all the online courses which you have did. So here there is a limitation of words, so just mention all the important courses that you want to show. So you can mention all that important courses here. So here if there are any current backlogs, then you can select on yes. If you are not having any current backlog, you can select no. So after that, here you have to mention all the academic project you have did. So here once again here there is limitation of words, so just mention some important project here. After that, you are in the TCS recruitment process in last 6 months, then you can select here as a yes. You can select here as a no if you are in TCS recruitment process. If you have not in the TCS recruitment process from last 6 months, you can select here as a yes. Okay, after that, here you can select see the all the eligibility criteria. Then after that, if you are seeing the all eligibility criteria and you are eligible for it, if you are agree to all the TCS eligibility criteria, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. And after that, here you have to click on the agree that all the details which you have entered here, all these details are entered by yourself and all these details are correct. So just click on agree and click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, here you will get the correct mark, and after that, here you have to enter the nationality. The nationality will be Indian, and here from here you have to select the language. If you are here I have selected English. If you are able to speak, read and write English, you can select English, yes, and English is your mother tongue, then you can select yes here. Again, you can select the maximum languages which you know. So after that, if you are did any certified language course, like for if you are learning Germany, Spanish, French, then you can select here. And here you have to enter uh, here you have to enter the certificate details, all this thing. If you are did any certification in the languages, once you have filled all this detail, just click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, here you have to specify the achievement. Under the achievement, you can mention here if you have get any scholarship, if you are the part of any world record, genius world record, if you have suppose if you have got university, if you are university ranker, you can mention here. If you have published any paper on their journals, then you can mention here this thing. In the certification details, you have to just click on the add new certificate. And here if you did certification from the list, all the listed above courses, then you can select it here. If you did the certification but all this certification name is not showing here, so you cannot add this kind of certificate here. If you did the certification courses and all that, if you are able to see that course name here, only you can add this certificate. After that, just filling this thing, just click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, here you have to write your name, and here you can select the, you have to write your surname, select the blood group. So here you have to enter your passport size photo with a dimension of 35 mm and 35 mm. 35 mm means it will be 3.5 centimeter. I will provide the link in the description to resize your identity size photo. And make sure that the photo size should not be greater than 500 kb. After that, here you have to mention your resume. Here you have to upload your CV too. So I will mention 2 to 3 links regarding creating your CV online, CV makers, so you can create your CV from there. So after that, just browse your photo and browse your CV. After browsing the CV, just click on continue. When you click on the continue, you are able to see this correct mark here. If you have missed any mandatory field, then it will show up warning to you that this particular field has remaining to fill. So fill all this detail. Whenever you are getting all 3 correct mark here, then you can able to submit your application form. If you are not seeing here all the correct marks, then please go back and see the what things you have missed out. Here you can click on the application form preview. So when you click on application form preview, there will be one PDF will be downloaded. On that PDF, you can please cross check all the details which you have entered are correct or not. If here you have to mention your place here and just click on the submit application form. Once you click on the submit application form, once you click on the submit application form, your form will be submitted. And then sometimes you will get some errors. So how to check? So you can simply click, go back to home and simply click on the track my application, and here you are able to see whether your application state, what is your application status. So you can see here application status received. If you are seeing any, if you are not able to see your application status here, then your application has not submitted yet. So after that, here you can here you have to click on the apply for drive. After that, you are able to see here 2 options. One is in center and second one is remote. So according to your preference, you can select any option from this and just select that option. If you select on in center, here you have to mention the nearest test center and just click on the apply. So once you click on apply, you may get some error like this. Something went wrong. This is the problem from their side, so they will recover it. So just go back. Please take this all the details one by one, because it is mandatory to select the test location, whether it is in center or in a remote way. So in this way, you can apply for the TCS Ninja. Not for TCS Ninja, you can apply this for all the TCS for all the TCS recruitment process. Still, if you are getting some errors while filling up the form, or if you are facing some issues, please use comment section below. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting. If you like my video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching this video.